Assalamualaikum. So hari ini kita akan menerangkan tentang child process termination and communication via part. So firstly, kita akan run untuk program ni. Kemudian kita akan compile. Kita akan run. So dia akan run to child. This is the child process, and to parent, this is the parent process. And to child balik, my PID is 29018. So my parents PID is 29017, and to parent, my PID is 29017. My child's PID is 29018. I'm waiting for my child to exit, and the child enter my exit status. So kita akan enter exit status to 1. So dia akan run I'm out here, and parents akan run my child exit status is 1. Parent I'm out here. Selepas user memasukkan exit status untuk child iaitu 1, then child akan keluar and parent akan ikut. So untuk next exercise, kita perlu programkan dua child and wait for the two child to exit, and kita akan programkan untuk output exit status untuk kedua-dua child. So the program, kita akan programkan C1 iaitu child 1, and child 1 akan print child 1. This is the child 1 process. My PID is %D. My parents PID is %D. Then kita akan exit R1. Untuk C2 iaitu child 2, kita akan print this is the child 2 process. Child 2, my PID is %D. My parents PID is %D. Then untuk mengeluarkan kedua-dua exit status iaitu child 1 and child 2, kita akan programkan child 1 enter my exit status. Then untuk child 2 juga kita akan enter exit status. So untuk parent, ia akan programkan this is the parent process. My PID is %D. Then dia akan wait untuk kedua-dua child, dan ia akan print balik my child's 1 exit status is %D. My child's 2 exit status is %D, and I'm out here. Kita akan save. Kita akan compile. So this is the parent process, and my PID is 29064. So child 1 akan akan print this is the child 1 process. My PID is 29069. My parents PID is 29064. This is the child 2 process. Ni untuk child 2 pula. My PID is 29066. My parents PID is 29064. So user akan masukkan exit status for child 1. Lepas tu akan masukkan exit status for child 2. So selepas memasukkan kedua-dua exit status, child 1 and child 2 akan keluar and parent akan ikut. So untuk exercise yang ketiga, sama juga akan programkan dua child, tapi just wait for the one child to exit, and program akan keluarkan output exit status untuk waited child. So programnya ialah sama juga, cuma bezanya ini pada ini dia. Parent akan wait hanya untuk RB1, iaitu child 1. Dan selepas user masukkan edit status untuk child, untuk salah satu child, then child akan keluar dan parent pun akan keluar. So kita akan save dan kita akan compile. Lepas compile kita akan run. So ini dia, parent akan run, akan print this is the parent process, my PID 29116. So child 1 pula akan this is the child 1 process, my PID is 29117, my parent's PID is 29116. Enter my edit status. So child 2 pula akan print this is the child 2 process, my PID is 29118, my parent's PID is 29116. So kita akan user akan masukkan edit status. So hanya untuk satu je. Dan parent akan print rated child edit status is 49, iaitu untuk child 2, and parent akan keluar.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fido Spelling Sub. Okay, we continue to the next exercise lab. So firstly we lab first, gedit lab 3.c. Okay, so this is the coding for the lab, and here we can see that instead the writing the file to restrictions and write test. So if we use here the writing and reading method, so let me show you what is the output from this coding. Okay, so the coding shown as default, the writing to restrictions and the reading from the file section, and it read the test too, because we put the test to compile the program. Okay, hello, assalamualaikum. Okay, we continue to the next lab exercise. So now we open the terminal and we open the coding at slide 6. Let's okay, now we have opened the coding. So after coding below shows that these are the coding that we use the forks item that try writing the file. So in this, what I understand is it will output this first, and then it will go to the forks and child write, and it will show output that child writing to the pipe and child exiting. So To prove that, let me show you and compile this coding. So we need to compile it. So just like I said, it's shown that the parents reading the pipe first. So it's go to the child line. So it's shown that writing to the pipe, and then the child is exiting. So after the child exiting, it go back to the parent line, where it will show that parent read test. If we That is the output from the coding. Okay, we continue to the lab exercise, that write a file in C that will fork two child in the child. User are able to enter string to write into a pipe parent program, then will output the string entered by user on both child. So we open the terminal. So we open the terminal first, and we open the coding at slides. See edit dot s slide 7. Let's see. So we arrive at so this is the coding, and we at main here shows that this is fork. So the print child 1 ID is writing to pipe. So the scan function is to scan what we write in the output. So write function, this is to capture the output in the child 1. So next we continue to the child 2, also same, scan here. It goes to the, we input the output, we put the input, and then we use the write here to save it into the child 2. Okay, so the parent here is used to reading the pipe and reading from the first input at the child 1, and this is first and second input from the child 2. So here is the, so here it will shows the both child in the parents read. Okay, let me show you. It opens and we can compile it. uh, test 2, test 2. So it appears here that reading from the pipe, child 1 my ID is 36586 writing to the pipe, and child 2 is my ID is 36587 writing to the pipe. So let's compute the input. Says hi for the first child, and u for the second child. So it's a here parents 1 read hi from the child 1, that's it pipe 1, and parents read u, that is from pipe 2, and then parent reads hi u for the both childs here. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you.